at this point, if you realize that, there are some things that you can change and you go ahead and make those changes, that's what's going to matter to the kids. It's going to matter that you made the effort. And even if it wasn't perfect, at whatever point it changes, it's going to become what it needs to be for them. And that's going to be okay for everything that used to be.
It's never too late to start trying to do the right thing in life. I mean, we all make mistakes, but at some time, when you grow up, you decide, you know what's right and what's wrong. And so you just have to take one day at a time is what I tell my children. Just take one day at a time. Don't live too far in the future. Just live day by day.
I would just say start whatever you think, start it now. Whatever point you're at, make the change, because that's what's going to matter to them. They're not going to see that it never was once it begins.